Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Great heat conductor. Aluminum is one of the best metals for conducting heat, far better than stainless steel, in fact. Aluminum heats up quickly, which allows you to get your cooking done faster and more efficiently. The heat is distributed evenly throughout the cookware, so your food is cooked evenly. 2.5 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Stainless steel pans and surfaces are the best for browning ingredients, and since they're usually uncoated, unlike nonstick varieties, they are more durable and resistant to slip-ups in the kitchen. 16 July 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.